going on for now. Palestinians struggling to pick up the pieces after days of torrential rain triggered deadly flooding across the territory there, which has killed at least 12 people, including a 2-week-old baby who died from hypothermia as the freezing water swept through the makeshift shelters there. Some parts recorded more than 150 millimeters or nearly 9 inches of rainfall, overwhelming the drainage systems, flooding camps where the displaced people have been sheltering for months now. Tents submerged, belongings washed away. Already fragile structures gave way. Emergency crews have urged the residents to stay away from the damaged buildings. But for many in Gaza, there is simply nowhere else to go.
Because of the rain, we spent the entire night trying to sweep away the water. We stayed in this square all night, sweeping away the water and moving our children from place to place, not knowing where to go. We have no shelter to protect ourselves from the water and this mess.
The storm sweeping across the Palestinian territory flooded tents, makeshift shelters, bringing more hardship to the people there. Nearly all of them have faced displacement in more than 2 years of that war.
As you can see, in this tent we have no blankets. There are 6 of us sleeping on one mattress, and we cover ourselves with our clothes. As you can see, there is a bad weather, and we were flooded inside the tent. You can see the inside is full of water. We have been submerged. Even our clothes were soaked, and we don't know how to change them. As you can see, I have metal plates, and there isn't even a clinic to treat my leg.
In fact, the United Nations International Organization for Migration saying almost 800,000 displaced people are living in low-lying, rubble-filled areas where water accumulates fast and drainage is almost non-existent. The organization, the International Organization for Migration, saying basic materials like timber, plywood, sandbags and water pumps have not been allowed into Gaza due to the access restrictions. Israel insists aid is entering and accuses agencies of mismanagement. Aid groups have been completely denying these allegations, with more than 1.5 million people still displaced and 300,000 new tents urgently needed. The humanitarian situation remains dire on the ground. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.